Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Surprise Sunday, and on this video, I have for you a Wish mystery box. Okay, so this is totally Tiffany Wears T-shirt's fault because I saw her open a Wish mystery box on her channel, and I thought, wow, she got a lot of really nice stuff. So I thought, okay, I'm going to go ahead and grab one of these. I grabbed 2 this round, and then I have another one that's coming later in the month that is called a bestseller box, and I paid a lot of money for that one. So I am crossing my fingers and hoping so very much that it is worth the money that I spent. I will go into the details of that when I do that video. If you guys are wondering why I'm all decked out in blue, this is in support of Autism Awareness Month, where they light it up blue. So without further ado, let's jump into this mystery bag. Okay guys, so before I show you the bag that this stuff came in, I just realized how much I paid for this. And I am really scared at this point because I thought that this was the one that I paid $36 for plus shipping, but it turns out that this one is the one that I paid $51 for plus $12 shipping. So I'm in this $63. Oh boy, this is not good. Let me show you what it came in. This is what I got, guys. $63. I think I'm going to be sick. All right, unless they put like, you know, gold bullion in here, I'm really not thinking that this is going to be worth what I spent. So I'm getting nothing like what Tiffany Wears T-shirts got in hers. So I really feel like I got cheated. But let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so I'm going to throw up. The first thing is a simple sunshine toothbrush. Is this real, guys? Did I say that I spent $51 plus $12 shipping? I just want to make that clear again. I have a toothbrush so far. So much for the gold bullion. All right, what's this? Really? This isn't real, guys. So I have some strong hooks. Awesome. $51 hooks. This is great. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm going to be seriously sick. She's going to have to send me the link to where she got hers because I definitely got cheated. So now we have a first aid kit, which isn't bad. I mean, everybody needs one of those. Let's pop it open and see what they put in here for my first aid kit. So we have some bandages. Okay, great. Some more bandages. Awesome. Some medical tape. Great. Q-tips. A sterile gauze pad. Looks like some Band-Aids. Band-Aids? I love how they're all in Chinese. That's cool. Then this is alcohol pad, I think. So, okay, great. No, that's a iodine pad. Oh, my bad. These are alcohol pads. So, you know, whatever. All right, more Q-tips. Some scissors that look like they'll break if you try to use them. Awesome. I don't know, but there's that. And then we have some plastic tweezers and some safety pins probably to, you know, put your little bandages on with. Okay, guys. I don't know. Is that $51 worth in itself? All right. So far I'm feeling like I'm going to have to throw up after this video. I'm just saying. All right. So there's that. All right. Oh, these are like floss picks. Floss picks. Awesome! Here's the back of it in case you guys are curious what it's looking like. Really? I mean, I use these, but I get them at the Dollar Tree for $1 and I get far more than are in this little package here. Just saying. All right, here we go. Is this real? This is not real. Guys, this isn't real, right? Oh my gosh, this isn't real. A fork? Are you serious right now? $51. I am going to have the biggest, longest complaint ever. A fork! I'm just in shock right now, guys. Like, I seriously got cheated. They totally took my money and sent me dollar store stuff. This looks like one of those microfiber car cleaner thingamabobbers. You can get that at the Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh! A surgical mask. Again, very inexpensive. How many are in here? I don't know because I can't read Chinese. It says 10. Quantity 10 in English. It doesn't say that in Chinese. I didn't suddenly learn how to read Chinese. But yeah. Guys, I'm seriously sick right now. Okay, what is this? Why do they put it in there, like when they're selling to me in the United States? I don't know what this is, guys. It says I love you. No, you don't. If you loved me, you would have sent me better stuff and more of it. I think it's a soap dish or something. I mean, whatever. Guys, I'm seriously so sick right now. I can't stop saying that because I'm seriously physically ill. What is this? I don't know. What? What? Can you guys see it? Really? Like, really? What is it, though? I don't even know if I can open it or if it's worth opening, to be honest with you. They don't give you, like, a list of what's in it. Ugh. Really? Like, is this serious right now, guys? I feel like I got, like... Wow. Okay. There's one thing left. And it's mysterious. Great. Wow. What a waste of my money. I am not happy, guys. It's a flashlight. Awesome. Did they provide the batteries? No. I mean, I have a couple flashlights like these. They are good. They're nice to have, but I'm sick right now. Like, I'm really physically ill. This was such a huge waste of my money. I am definitely going to put in a huge, huge complaint about this particular one so that if people read the reviews, they'll see what comes in this thing. I'll take the picture, and you know, you can put photos and stuff on everything that you got. I will definitely do that to make other people aware that you're going to get a bunch of junk for $51. I would say what I really think, but I don't want to be demonetized. So that's it for this video today, guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambazar's DIY and other... Why do I feel like... I don't know. Hold on. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambazar's DIY, and that looks so dumb. I was fixing my hair because it went right in my mouth as soon as I started talking. Awesome. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambazar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Surprise Sunday. Awesome. This is Ambazar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Surprise Sunday and... Dang. Very good.